Yeah, this week US30 Technical Analysis. So what we analyzed last week actually is came perfectly. This week also I am looking for sale setup only. Nothing else. I can remove all these things. Maybe it will go a little bit up also. Because of these all war situations, it will come here, maybe come down. Maybe it will reach around this area, this zone. Once 51, around 51, 50.5, 50.5 K. Onwards you can look for buy setup. Up to there, see this area. Okay, right. Bye.